Hello guys, and welcome into your video. What you're making today is called dome sofa. So first we are doing the seats, but these seats will be half circle because they'll be used for external domes. The domes will be made from iron metal and covered with rattan binding. So at first, what you're doing first is you're making the sofas, just like what you're seeing this guy doing. So the frame has been made from very, very good quality wood. Thereafter, we are going to seal the seats with foams and cushions, but the cushions will be permanently fixed, just as you're seeing. First we had to glue the cushions. Thereafter, on top we had to put something called decloron. The advantage of it is that it makes the seat much more comfortable, since the cushions are made from high density. So once that is done, that's when you're going to cover it with this fabric. Kind of looks like resin, but it's not resin. It's very, very high quality, used for outdoors. So this is how the sofa is going to come out. Thereafter, all the edges from down, we are going to fix them with caulkers. But right now, he's using the small nails to fix on all the edges, just like you're seeing what he's doing right now. Thereafter, once all the nails have been fixed on that, have been nailed on the wooden frame, he's going to put some caulkers. Yeah, as you're watching the video, that's exactly what is going to happen. We really like the engagement that you're getting on YouTube. We are now almost reaching 12,000 subscribers. So we really urge you guys to support us, like and share this content. So one of the reasons why we decided to make this sofa, it is because of the rattan dome, because we don't just make this kind of sofas just plainly. So they'll be put in that rattan dome. I don't know if you can be able to see from there. There's a dome which is there. Just from the camera you can be able to see. Yeah, there, that dome. So even you can check from our videos, you'll notice we were welding and doing rattan binding. Yeah, so now he's preparing himself to fix the caulkers. So the most important thing is to have everything tightly done. So this is how the caulkers are fixed. We do it manually, although there's also a machine which does the same thing. So right now is getting into the intricate process of doing that. Now once these caulkers have been fixed, later what we are going to do, we are going to revarnish the whole seat, such that at least it has that kind of protective layer. But these sofas will be put in the restaurant. They're going to a certain hotel. You can see how beautifully he has managed to fix the caulkers. So guys, I kindly urge you, please like this video, share, so that we are able to reach other people. Thank you so much, and God bless.